A very good morning to all the students of class 9. Today we are going to read a new poem, that is Rain on the Roof, from the book Beehive. Let us first see the introduction of the poem. From the title of the poem, Rain on the Roof. See, from this only we can make out that the poem is about the rain, and the poet is telling us about the memories that he has of the rain. The sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of his house brings back sweet memories of the past. Now let us start with the poem. I'll read the poem and explain you accordingly. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? See what is said over here, when there is a dark cloud and when it starts raining, have you ever heard the sound of rain on the roof? And what thought flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Say, read the poem to find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the rain. First stanza. When the humid shadows over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. See, the poet is saying that when the humid shadows hover means here it is humid shadow, that refers to a dark clouds which are full of water. And the poet is saying that when the sky is full of these clouds which are moisture laden, are full of water and are about to bring rain, when such clouds hover, when these clouds they hover means move around in the sky over all these starry spheres, means spheres refer to the sky at night time, which is full of stars, and at that time huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops, which seems like tears falling from the sky. And the poet is comparing raindrops to tears, and he says that the dark sky, which seems to be very sad, and it appears as if it is crying, and the raindrops are the tears shed by it. And he adds that it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his room, that is cottage chamber means a bedroom, and listen to sound made by the raindrops falling on the roof. Every tinkle on the shingles, tinkle means short light ringing sound, and shingles means rectangular wooden tiles used on a roof, has an echo in the heart and a thousand dreamy fancies. Echo means repeated sound. Into bushy bean start, and a thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof. Woof means that is a thread woven across the loom. As I listen to the patter of the raindrop upon the roof. See here what the poet is expressing his feeling when he hears the raindrops that are falling on the rooftop of his house, and he says that every tingle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, the sound repeats in his heart and in his dreams also, and he has many different imagination fanciful, and he adds that his sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind, and he recollects all these memories of past which come back into his mind as he dreams. So he says that as he listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. Now in memories comes my mother as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers era. She left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the pattern of the rain. See what here the poet introduced his mother. He say that he is dreaming of his mother, as he has told in the previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past, and it is a memory of his mother who is no longer alive. In the past, she used to love him a lot. She used to consider him a darling, and she would let him sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listens to the song made by the rain, drops falling on the rooftop of his room, and the sound of the rain that makes him correlated to his past with his present. And that is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. And whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past, and he reminded of his mother. Hope you all have understood this beautiful poem. Thank you.